Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgway World. I'm Jeff, you're not. It's a beautiful day here in Pittsgrove Township. Supposed to go up to like 65 and then it get colder and shit tomorrow. So getting out and enjoying the day. This morning had the opportunity to go to breakfast with my parents. Dad's been in the hospital the last 5 or 6 days. He's doing better, so we were able to get him out. JT met us there, so it was a good morning. And then you come home and you look at the news and you got Putin's going to invade the Ukraine sometime this week, per our president. And then you got Kinsinger, who's on the January 6th committee for the insurrection, who's saying that there's going to be a civil war. So on a beautiful day, they depress the hell out of you when you watch the news. So, I think I'm just going to stop watching the news for a little while till all this shit hits the fan and gets over with. But again, there isn't a darn thing you can do about it other than go through your normal life. And the sad part for the Ukraine people, they're the ones that are suffering because they got all hell breaking loose, and they got the Russian war machine basically sitting at their doorstep, and I feel sorry for them. I don't think they've did anything. They've been a country for hundreds of years. So. Other than that, normal day here, and I just wanted to share a little bit with you because it's a beautiful day and get outside, and hopefully everybody's enjoying themselves, going to see what the Queen's doing, and go from there. Well, how are you so far this morning? I just basically depressed the whole audience and told them about the Ukraine and Kinsinger from the January 6th committee, basically saying there's going to be a civil war coming, so... trying to be upbeat.
You did a video on Russia?
No, I'm just saying the news, when you think you're having a good day and then you get home and watch the news and they depress the shit out of you.
That's why you don't watch the news.
Right. So what are you doing?
I got a pair of coveralls.
Oh, they're colorful.
Yeah, I thought they would be good for this. Ooh,
they're kind of big though.
Well, this is a medium. I'm gonna have to take them up. Look.
I think it's a medium.
Either that.
Medium to extra large.
Let me try them on. I might have to. Bring them back.
Right. And what's up with the dinosaurs?
The dinosaurs I want to give to Logan, and I had to rinse them off.
Oh. Well, where'd you get them from?
They were JT and Jesse's.
Yeah,
I'll check with them to see if they still want. Look. It opens his mouth.
Oh, nice.
And actually, these are different kind of dinosaurs. They come apart. They're different than what they have today.
Right.
So I don't know what, like...
Well, Logie should love them, I would presume, right?
Yeah, as long as JT and them don't want them.
Right.
I mean, because...
And these two over here, what are they?
They're from the Land Before Time. I think they got them in Happy Meals. And these...
Back in the day when they were Happy Meals gave out good toys?
I don't even know if Happy Meals does it anymore. But look. Oh.
Put it on. Yeah, there you go. Sweet.
And their heads move.
Right. That's
nice.
But again, Logan should love them things, and I know my kids. My kids will never want to get rid of anything. So you did ask them, right?
I didn't ask about the dinosaurs yet. JT answered me about them. I think he might want his.
Oh, okay.
But I didn't ask him about them yet. But
right.
I will ask him before I give them to him.
Right. Well, I don't blame
Did you mention thank you to
I don't want to cut off your head. Huh?
Mention thank you to the person who gave us a Valentine card?
No, I forget the names. And I apologize because I hacked the names up. Well, I got to put my glasses on because when I'm outside, I got my sunglasses on. Let Terry... Tell you who it's from.
He just says Michael, and I threw away the envelope, so I don't. But thank you, Michael.
And that's
Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
Yeah, Michael, thanks so much. It's very thoughtful. We do get sporadic cards. We got a few for Christmas, and we'd like to give you a shout for that. We appreciate it. Anything else you got today, or is that pretty it? You want to tell them where you're going tonight? Where are you going tonight?
We're going to the casinos to celebrate Uncle Larry's birthday.
And Uncle Larry is what, 58? I sent him a thing on Twitter saying he was 62. That'll piss him off, so he'll respond to me and say something smart about me being older.
I think he's 59.
You're 59.
I'm 59. No, he's 58.
You're right. And Jackie's 60, right?
Yes. Anyway, I also cleaned off, this is JT. I cleaned off my desk at the shop. Just emptying things out, doing things slowly. That's Jesse. I think that's around 10th grade. And then all this other stuff that was on my desk.
Yeah, that was a wedding. We were at my sister's.
Yeah. So I'm slowly getting
one of my sister's weddings.
Yeah.
So, but either way, tonight is the celebration of Larry's birthday. We're going to a restaurant first, then we're going to not the Revel. The Ocean used to be the Revel, and we haven't been for what? It's been a couple years? For me.
Yeah, I'd say over 2 years.
Right.
Since you've been there.
Right, and we used to love to go to the casinos all the time. Back when it was Revel, it was like, that was our like secondary house, because we used to get all kind of comps there. We had a ball, we knew where everything was, we liked the restaurants, and we won a few times there too, so it made it nice. So we'll go back, they'll probably strip us all our money, and we'll come out pissed off and probably won't go back for 2 years. But that's normal.
Look at this fella here. This I use as a paperweight. Look, I have to glue him. The ad machine fell off. But, and he's unique, isn't he?
That was what I looked like back in high school.
Oh, that's not even funny.
Right. I was a little bit bigger weight-wise back then. I think I was 242 when I played football and stuff. So I think I was the highest weight I got, 242. So, but either way. So here, you want to close off this video? This was just a short hitter. I just wanted to say hey to everybody, because the last video we did was kind of emotional for me. And I don't like to be emotional.
Did you show them how to do anything, or you?
No, this was just a FYI, hey, how you doing type video. Just something to do, and again, I just want to go back to the video when I sent it, did for Jesse about, appreciation for the retirement and, why I rejected it. But another thing, I have a problem with emotion and talking straight to people emotionally. So if you ever get in a pickle, my thing is I've done in the past for the boys and for people that when I get emotional, my voice cracks and then I can't talk. Send them an email. Tell them how you feel, and it may be easier for you. You can take your time and spell it out to them, and it'll mean a lot that you're interacting and being emotional. But at least you don't have to look them in the eye when you do it, But something a little easy. I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, because some people have a problem, and I'm one of them. So
yeah,
I admit my shortcomings, and hey, we're human. So, but take care of the family. That's what I always say. All right. Well, either way, people, have a great weekend. John's in all the videos. Look at him.
Yeah,
John's in everything.
But he's getting to be
and tuna fish. Hey, sweetie.
Be seen. He needs attention.
All right. That's all the attention he needs. All right, good people. Either way, I'll get out of the sunlight because I think that screws things up. Either way, everybody have a great day and a good life.